Several doctors panels over the last several years, and we are getting, well, not all, well, we all are getting older, just so you know that. Some of us are older than others, but the wisdom that comes, you've been an Optavia coach, you are a cardiologist focused on prevention and on preventing heart disease, and you've seen so many patients, you've been around this so much from the inside and from the outside. So as a physician and as a health coach. So with that, could you shed some light on how our products and programs are synergistic with medical weight loss?
Yes. I first want to thank you, Dr. Anderson, and Optavia for giving me this opportunity to speak with all of you today. It really is an honor and a privilege. We all know that healthy nutrition is essential. Whether we are on a weight loss journey or not, healthy nutrition is one of the key elements of optimal health and certainly habits of health. The issue of these medications and weight loss is that we want to ensure quality or healthy weight loss, because not all weight loss is necessarily healthy. That's a very important principle to understand. If you lose 20 pounds on the scale, and 5 of those, and 10 of those pounds is muscle, that's not a good thing. So we want to predominantly lose visceral adiposity, fat, not muscle. Our products and programs are uniquely suited to work with patients on these newer medications because they get healthy nutrition, they get healthy protein, which is essential, so they don't experience drug-induced sarcopenia, meaning the loss of muscle mass due to a drug that can lead to sarcopenia because people's appetites are so depressed, they don't get enough nutrition and they don't get enough protein. In addition, we have 2 very powerful tools to add to that. As you will know, the Optavia active essential amino acids and the whey protein. So we can help people experience quality weight loss because when people are on these medications, they need nutrition, they need healthy nutrition, and they need to eat. So that's very important to understand. Body composition is critical. Our programs and products are unique for many reasons. Obviously, the Habits of Health system, and of course, the principle of lean and green meals, which can sustain people for life as a core element of healthy nutrition, so they can be in control of their weight. So learning the fundamentals is critical. As effective as these new medications are, as everyone understands, they are a quick fix. Do people lose weight on these medications? Yes, they do. No medication, no shot, no portion-controlled meal replacement, no surgical procedure changes the way we think.
That's right.
The most powerful weapon that we have is our own consciousness. And that is what the Habits of Health system is about, so we can actually awaken and transform people.
I love that, Dr. Yes. I quoted Deepak Chopra, on Thursday night. All 25 trillion cells are eavesdropping on our thoughts. What we do at Optavia is we help people become responsible, awaken themselves to take responsibility for their own health, and we're their guide, and we give them the power of all the things we've been talking about so far. So, obesity isn't something you fix by flipping the switch. So with that, why is health more than a shot?
Well, health is more than a shot or a pill or a surgical procedure, as we know, because health is more than the physiologic or biologic changes that the body, the organism experiences when it loses weight. Are we healthier when we lose weight in a healthy way? Yes, we are. But health is really about enhancing, empowering the full optimal health and potential of the organism. Our potential, we are the organisms. And I use that term because we're a unique organism. We are human beings being human. And the way we empower ourselves is by learning healthy habits. The body is the temple of the spirit. Many people have forgotten that. The real question is, do we respect, do we honor that temple?
Come on!
Because we can do that. We can do that by empowering ourselves, empowering our consciousness with healthy habits, habits of healthy nutrition, recuperative sleep, being active, healthy movement, and the whole launch of Optavia Active is extremely exciting. Mindfulness, being aware of our surroundings, all of the healthy habits that Dr. Anderson has talked about for years, that's how we create optimal health. Dr. Anderson's Habits of Health system is more than a treatise on healthy habits, though it is that. It is far more than that. It is the realization, as Dr. Anderson has shared with us many times, that we can be more than spinal animals, simply reacting to a chaotic, stressful, and obesogenic world. We can become mindful and aware of ourselves, of our surroundings, of our choices, of our habits, and mindful of our knowledge, because when we take action, we want our action to be informed action. And that is why the science behind our products and programs is so essential and so important. And I want to thank all the scientists who I hope all of you become, at least in terms of the way you interpret the world. The Habits of Health system is a methodology. What do I mean by that? It is a way to get there, step by step, by learning healthy habits, by helping ourselves and our clients understand that they can learn healthy habits and step by step transform the way they think, their actions, their habits, and change their health trajectory from one of disease and sickness to one of optimal health and well-being.
Beautiful. Well said, Dr. Nelson. That was great.